Hi Volvers, so I thought I would check out this Xmind for mind maps. I am a huge advocate of mind maps, absolutely love them, always hand drawing different types of mind maps. I think they are such a useful way to condense information, make it concise, and to build those memory blocks, especially with science. In science, we have such an array of topics that you need to know about. So I think mind maps are a great place to start and finish. And it's always great to check your knowledge through a mind map and then add in a different color what is missing. Now, as I said, I came across this. A lot of people have posted about it, how incredible it is, and I thought it was worth a try. I skipped the help box at the start, which talks through, well, I think it talks you through on how to use it. I assumed it would be relatively straightforward, but let's see if it is. So here at the top, we've got the topics, subtopic, I think that's just a connector, summary, boundary, marker, insert, then pitch. Not sure what all of those mean, but we will figure it out. Here at the taskbar at the side, you've got the skeleton. So I think you get to pick. Let's see, can you pick? Oh, so you can pick. This is in the free version. What kind of chart you want. You can see there is a variety there. I am going to go for, usually I do stick to mind maps and maybe a brace map. So I will go with this. And let's see what else we can do. There is color theme you can change to. Oh, wow. So you can pick. Fantastic. So there's a various style. I think I'm also going to look at, oh, I like that. I do like pastel shades. So let's see how that one is. Oh, I don't like it all being black. Sakura seems quite nice. I think I'm going to go for Sakura, definitely. So the background color you can change as well. I will stick to that. Colored branch. So you can pick how you want it. So that's different version shades of blue, not versions of blue. I think I'm going to pick the one that it was automatically. Okay, I think we're ready to go. So here, let's just go for a biology topic. Let's go for pathogens. Okay, we know there are key 4 types. Let's go for viral, viruses. Oops. So there are 4 types of disease-causing pathogens: viral, bacterial, fungal, and proteus that you need to know about. Right, that looks pretty cool already. I'm quite happy with that. It seems that you can amend the font, you can change the color, the size, and everything. So let's have a look. I want to add some information. I want to add the 3 key viruses, types of viruses that you need to know about for GCSE biology. So one of them is tobacco mosaic virus. Okay, that's one. The other one is, I've got to tap that again, I think, and then go to subtopic HIV, oops, need that in cap locks, and AIDS. And then you also have measles. And then for bacterial, I'm not sure if I want to keep that the same color. So we could edit that afterwards. Let's pick on bacterial next. Subtopic, you do need to know about salmonella. Fabulous. And I think the other one is gonorrhea. So I hope I spelled this right because I feel like this is the one that always trips me up. Gonorrhea, there we go. And we've got fungal as well, now that I'm on the roll. Athlete's foot. And then we've also got rose black spot. Sorry about my little typos. And then we have, for protist, we have malaria. So that is quite nice and concise, as you can see. Very clear picture. And I really do like that. I'm just going to go across using the taskbar. There we go. And I think what we could do is add a bit of information about each one. So just from the top of my head, how I would do it is perhaps think of symptoms, transmission, treatment. That's how I would go. So I'd probably add 3 topics here. So one would be subtopics, symptoms, and then I would list them, and then I would go on to maybe transmission first, but you get the gist. So you can see it's very clear. And then perhaps also, so transmission, symptoms, and treatment. I wonder if I can switch these around. Fantastic, you can. That's really a great tool. Oops, did not mean to do that. So I can click here and undo it. Let's add in treatment. And then you can actually write that down. So you know, transmission between for tobacco mosaic viruses is contact between contaminated plants. Symptoms are the plant becomes yellow/white. It has like a mosaic pattern because there is a lack of or less chloroplasts, and that leads to lower photosynthesis, which means less crop yield. And there is actually no real treatment except destroy the plant that's infected and remove. And then as farmers, probably wear gloves when managing contaminated plants, etc. So there's no cure for that one. So yeah, transmission, symptoms, treatment, I think that's a good way to do it. And then you can add in that information. For example, if we were to look at, I'm just thinking measles, you would put that transmission airborne, symptoms, fever, skin rash. There is a vaccine against it. It leads to infertility if untreated. So you can see, like, I actually think it's super helpful, and I will make a more detailed mind map for pathogens, but I just thought I'd check it out with you, and I think I have to say it's quite cool. Very cool. I wonder what this is for. I think oh, you can make a relationship with something, a floating topic. So this is absolutely incredible. So if you don't want to follow that and it's some like key information that you want to put out, yeah. So you can see it is a great tool and a great way to summarize each topic in science and beyond science. So I really think it's worth getting if you haven't already. As you can see, this is the first time I've used it and it was quite straightforward. I really think it's a great tool and I'm really excited to share with you my mind maps. I really do look forward to it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it wasn't too boring and it's inspired you to go away and make your own mind maps. I really hope it has. Take care and bye.